Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue talking about how to convert measurements within that U.S. customary system. We're just doing basically one-dimensional conversions, and we've already done some of these the other day. So if you haven't already, get out your gold English and metric conversion chart, because you might need that, and also your student examples for Learning Target 4.3, and we're going to take a look at number 4 and 5 today, okay? So let me go ahead and head to that. Okay, so here we are. We're going to convert the units as shown, where around you answer the same number of significant digits as a given measurement, which is accuracy. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take 2.7 miles, or 2 7/10 of a mile, convert it to feet. Well, first thing you need to remember, ladies and gentlemen, is that how many feet there are in a mile. Okay, 1 mile, and I'm writing with my cursor here, so I apologize. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Okay, now, since you are going from a larger measurement to a smaller measurement, you're going to end up multiplying. Okay, we're going to multiply. So we're going to take that 2.7 miles and we're going to multiply it by 5,280. And if you do that, you get a big number. You get 14,256 feet. Now, the thing is here that we've got to look at significant digits. So our original measurement only has 2 significant digits. So our answer will also have 2 significant digits, where you start from the left and you look at the 1 and the 4. Now, you can't just drop the 256 off, because what happens is the 14 slides over and you end up with 14 feet, which is not correct. We need the 1 to be in the 10,000ths place and the 4 to be in the thousandths place. So what we'll do is we'll keep and put placeholders in for these 3 digits here. So 14,000 feet will be your answer. You're rounding it to the nearest thousand. So when you write up here, if you're not doing a worksheet, you need to put it on a sheet of paper. Make sure you get your label right. But oops, that's a bad 5. But 14,000. Oh, excuse me. Let me erase that. It's not 14,500. It's 14,000 feet. Okay. So 14,000 feet. Oh, sorry. I'm writing with a cursor. So hopefully you got that right. Now let's look at one more example. Let's go to number 5, and you can follow along again and work through this on your review sheet if you want to, or excuse me, your student example sheet. But now we want to convert 10,000, this number 5, 10,470 pounds to tons. Well, remember, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Sorry again. So, what we're going to do now, since we are going from a smaller measurement to a larger measurement, we're going to end up dividing. Okay? So we're going to take our beginning measurement, 10,470 pounds, and we're going to divide it by 2,000. And if you do that, on your calculator, you'll find you get 5 and 235 tons. Now, we have to look at significant digits again. If we go up here and take a look, you'll notice that this is a placeholder, so that 0 won't count as significant. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 significant digits. So our answer will have to have 4. Well, luckily behold that it does have 4 significant digits. So our answer then, 10,470 pounds, is equivalent to 5 and 235 thousandths of a ton. Okay? Now, when you do this, make sure, here's what I want to see for your work, even if it's on a worksheet. I don't necessarily need to see, your equivalent measurements here, but I do want to see whether you're multiplying or dividing, what numbers you're multiplying or dividing. And then, of course, your answer, if it's written up in a blank, you already have your label. Make sure that answer is rounded to proper accuracy. Okay? So, it's Mr. Mueller. If you have any questions, I'll be back tomorrow. Just let me know. Okay? So now you need to go to the substitute probably gave you or will give you a worksheet that says practice. Practice 4.3 unit conversion with one-dimensional measurements. I'd like to do all the exercises on that worksheet. Okay? Have a good day. See you tomorrow.